Hey, what is up, guys? John from Magic Tech Review coming at you with another how-to tutorial step-by-step video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your iPhone settings back to English. Or it doesn't matter what language it's in, then you can change it back. I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate the system without even knowing what language you're in at the moment. So this is very helpful. Go ahead and leave a like on the video if you enjoyed the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family. And if this video did help you out, leave hashtag you're a lifesaver and go ahead and share it with 2 other people. Not just 1, 2. Alright guys, here's the video. Hopefully it helps you out. Alrighty guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to set or change the language on your iPhone, just in case that the iPhone is in a different language and you don't know what's going on or whatever, you don't know where you're at in the settings. It's very easy. Well, once you know what you're doing and where you're looking at, then you can find it. So you're going to go into settings, right? Even though if your phone is in a different language, it's going to look all weird and different. But what you're going to do is you're going to go right here, right? And you're going to look for this icon right here, the general icon thing right there, the wheel with the 3 things right there. You're going to look for it right there. So I know it's going to be in Japanese or Arabic or any number of different types of languages. And then you're going to go into general right here, and then you're going to go, this is the thing you're going to count. You're going to go, the first 2 is going to be about and software update all the time. Then the next 4, AirDrop, AirPlay, picture, CarPlay, right? Then you're going to skip 1, you're going to skip a couple more, and then you're going to come down to a section with 5 things right here. Date and time, keyboard, fonts, languages, regions, and dictionary. Okay, so here we go, right? You see how it's Arabic's right there? So we can just, I'm going to go ahead and change it up, all right? So now we're going to find it again. Like I said, we're going to be in settings. Look, it's even on the different area right here, right? So we're going to go again. You see how it has 5 different sections? See, look, there's the 1, 2, the AirDrop, 3, another 1, another 2, and there's the 5 sections right there. And it's always going to be the 4th one. All right? So you're going to go to the 4th one, and then you're just going to go to English and bring it on up. And then you're just going to press the red button. Whatever the red button is, it doesn't matter. All right? Let's try it one more time. Let's put it in Italiano, just so you guys can see that this can work with anyone. All right, so don't freak out if your phone is in a different language. Actually, let's see if we can get some Asian flavor in here. Some Hindi, some Contempo, some Chinese. There we go, some Chinese. So, because we all know our kids love to put our stuff in Chinese, right? So I know this is gonna help somebody. It's not. You probably thinking why is this dude even covering this? But trust me, man. If you have not woken up to your phone in Chinese, then you don't know. You don't know, but if you know, you know. All right, so here we go once again. 1, 2, 3, right? Thing, boom, 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 and then you go to the one with 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't gotta be, but that's the thing, is that there is literally no symbol. It's crazy because if you go out here, right? Look at this. Look, how are you supposed to tell? That's crazy. On Androids, it's always like an icon with a face on it or whatever. You can always tell what it is, but this right here, you can't. Look at this. Look at this. How are you supposed to tell how to change your phone? So settings, you see the wheel, you find the wheel, then you go all the way up from the top, 1, 2, 3, then the 3 right there, the 1 right there, the 2 right there, right? It's going to say iPhone right there usually, and then boom, 4th one again. And then we just go and change it back to English. So there you have it, guys. So if you guys have ever woken up to your kid switching your language on your phone and you're desperate and you're watching my video, please leave that like. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe and watch a couple more videos while you're at it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Share this to somebody that always has their kid changing their phone. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. This has been John from Magic Tech Review, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.